So hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in the last video, we did a comparison, like we talked about different tools that have been developed in the web development space to help developers to code in the web. So those were like Lovable, V0.dev, and Cursor, and like Firebase, which was a tool by Google. So I came up with an idea like if a non-technical person who is not into software engineering, if he comes up with an idea and he wants to build a website for his business, like he owns a business and he wants a website for it, and he can't afford any developer who can create his website. So he goes to ChatGPT, he described his idea, and then ChatGPT give him a prompt from his idea, and then he copied the prompt and just straight away jump into these like tools which can help you generate code. I know that sounds overwhelming as a non-technical person. Like you will be like you may think like I'm gonna do it like easily, but things are not easy as they seem. So you have a prompt, you have an idea, so you have also gathered an inspiration that the website you like. So you have to select one of these two like Cursor, Lovable, V0.dev, and Firebase. So I'll be creating a series kind of thing like for the same prompt, which tool will behave better. And then I'll also first of all in the upcoming video, in each video I'll try each tool with the same prompt, and then I'll just came up with the more complex prompts, and then I will compare these tools one by one. So it's going to be an exciting series for everyone who is watching this video. So it's without any wasting any time. So let's get started. So I generated this prompt from ChatGPT, and I gave him like I want to open a coffee shop and I want a website for it, and I asked him to like suggest me sections that are needed. So he gave me this prompt. So I just searched around the internet and I found the website that I like, which was like clean and minimalistic. So I liked this website. I gave it to ChatGPT and asked him to integrate that website in the prompt. So I'm not doing anything like if you don't know anything about software engineering or web development in general, so you can completely you'll be the one doing this process. Like you'll be asking ChatGPT to create prompts, or you may create prompts by yourself if you have a complete understanding of what you want. If you don't have, just go to ChatGPT, describe your ideas, and he's gonna make a structured prompt for you. So you can also look at the website that I gave ChatGPT to integrate in the prompt. So this is the website that I like, and I asked, I want this sort of website. Like you can say the theme of the website that Lovable will be creating can look like this. So as you can see, it's a very like a great website. The animations that looks very great, and it's a great website in general. So I have logged into this Lovable, and I have for this series I want to mention, I'll not be using any paid tool. I'll not be buying their premium subscription. For a person who has nothing to spend or he can't spend any money on these tools, he can also start out. So I'm using completely free version. So I'll be giving prompt to Lovable and see how long it would take to create this sort of website. So let's just start it. So he's just spinning up the preview and like working on it, like he may be developing sort of things. So the thing that I wanted was I want like you can read the prompt. The name should be Brew Heaven, and this was the inspiration and should be clean, minimal, and the smooth animation. I want animations as well in my websites. Some modern font and the field premiums. The home page with a large vivid image of our cafe and a short headline like that should be the headline. A small intro to shop. The background should be okay, and then there will be a menu section to showcase our coffee, teas, and snacks in clean grid layout. So the layout will be in the grid, and each item should have a photo, name, short description, and a price. Add a testimonial section with the customer photos and codes. The contact section should have our business hours, location on Google Maps, and a contact form where people can book a table or send a message. At the bottom include so I have in this prompt there is also integration of Instagram feed is also required. So we will see how Lovable is gonna integrate this feature. Like the whole site, how yes, the website will be responsive as well though. So you can say ChatGPT wrote a pretty decent prompt. Like he has explained some sort of things. So Lovable is now doing its work. It's creating a types, it's creating the files, and we'll see how it's gonna, what technology he is going to use, how the code is going to be looking, and how the website will look in general, how the UI will look, and how the functionalities, how the Instagram functionality that we asked, is it working or not working? We'll see, like in few minutes. I hope it won't take that much long. So you can wait for with me, or you can just skip to the point where the website is created. So you can also see the website is I have not upgraded to the pro version of Lovable. So I think the website is created now. I think it's loading. Oh, this is the website. So let's preview it in the new tab. Let's see how it's looking. Okay, okay. The testimonial section we asked the contact form, like it's working. I think the Rebel did a horrible job here because I can't even read the text properly. The fonts, yeah, the Instagram integration is, I think so, done very well. You can see, and if you go to the footer, it's like pretty good, not too good, but the hero section, I think it's like a very basic hero section. The animations are not that good, like there is only a hover animation. However, if you look into this site, the animation on this site is just amazing. You can see it's just truly amazing. This website just looking too great. I think I gave him this website so he can just like mimic the font style, the look and feel, and maybe some sort of sections he can like just copy and paste. But the hero section is looking like a too off to me. It's very basic. The font is very basic. I think so in terms of creativity. Uh, I'm not going to rate Lovable creativity well because it's like a very basic site. And to be honest, nobody loves to visit this site, and you can build this sort of site easily with the help of no code tool. There is no need to code for this website if your website is going to look like this. So let's take a look at the code. It's like previewing. So it created a bunch of files. Let me take a look at those files. Okay, the code looks clean to be honest, but the design looks very off to me. Say it's our first video on the on these no on these tools like word generating code like Lovable, V0.dev and other sort of tools. So it's our first video. We'll be giving the same prompt to other tools as well. So then we in the next video, like it will be a fifth video, I guess. Yes, first, second, and third, and fourth. Yeah, it will be a fifth video, and then we are going to just rank what tool did the best in terms of the UI, and then we are going to rank them according to their design language, I can say, because there is not a lot of functionalities going on there. Because if I gave them functionality, I knew they are not going to do well. So in conclusion, I can say, if we're not specific about the design, if you are not giving them the design what we want, then it's definitely not going to perform well, and it's definitely going to generate like basic UIs and the basic design language, and the designs are looks very basic to me, to be honest. So that's it for this video. You can take a look at this website. Oh, by the way, we should check its responsiveness as well, I think. Looks responsive to me, I guess. Yeah, because there's not a lot of work going on there, so it was not difficult thing to make it responsive. Okay, good job so far in terms of responsiveness, I can say. So that's it for this video. If you have any question or suggestion or any tool that you want to recommend to perform better than these tools, you can recommend in the comment section. I'll review this tool for you, or like I'll create a video on it so you can so it can be helpful for other people as well. So that's it from my side. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe.